Hello and welcome to this segment of the CFC 608 certification practice exam questions. In this series we're going to be talking about the core. There's going to be about 27 questions approximately to test your knowledge and to possibly help you gain a little bit of information about some core type questions. Before any more ado, let's go ahead and get started. Question 1. Which process applies to the cleaning refrigerants for immediate reuse by oil separation and single or multiple passes through devices like replaceable core filter dryers which reduce moisture and acidity? Is it A, recycling, B, recovering, C, reclaiming, D, restoring? Great job. The correct answer is A, recycling. Question 2. Disposing of disposable cylinders is accomplished by, is it A, bleeding refrigerant to ambient air and throwing the cylinders into the trash dumpster, B, assuring that all refrigerant is recovered and that the cylinders are rendered useless, then recycling the metal, C, refilling the cylinders a second time at an approved facility, or D, giving the cylinders away to your friends to use as air tanks? Great job. The correct answer is B. Disposing of disposable cylinders is accomplished by assuring that all refrigerant is recovered and that the cylinders are rendered useless, then recycling the metal. Question 3. Which of the following are violation or violations of the Clean Air Act? Is it A, falsifying or failing to keep required records, B, failing to reach required evacuation levels before opening or disposing of appliances, C, knowingly releasing CFC or HCFC refrigerants or their substances while repairing appliances, or D, all of the above? Great job. The correct answer is D. All of the above can happen. Question 4. The Montreal Protocol is A, a treaty among nations that controls production of chlorofluorocarbons, B, a test for energy efficient adopted by the Canadian government, C, a procedure for measuring levels of CFC in the atmosphere, or D, a test for ozone concentration? Great job. The correct answer is A. The Montreal Protocol is a treaty among nations that controls production of chlorofluorocarbons. Question 5. Service technicians who violate the Clean Air Act provisions may be fined, may lose their certification, may be required to appear in federal court, or all of the above. Terrific job. Yes, it's D. All of the above is the correct answer. Question 6. CFCs will no longer be manufactured or imported into the U.S. after A, 1994, B, 1995, C, 1996, or D, 2000? You got it. The correct answer is B. CFCs will no longer be manufactured or imported into the U.S. after 1995. Question 7. Recovery equipment that relies upon the compressor in the appliance and or the pressure of the refrigerant in the appliance would be considered A, system dependent, B, self-contained, C, packaged terminal unit, D, self-sufficient. Great job. The correct answer is A, system dependent. Question 8. During servicing of a refrigerant system containing R12, the refrigerant must be A, replaced with R134A, B, recovered, C. Vented. D. Destroyed. You got it. The correct answer is recovered. During servicing of a refrigerant system containing R12, the refrigerant must be recovered. Question 9. The piping connections to the vacuum pump should be A. As short in length and as large in diameter as possible, suitably sized to connect to a gauge manifold. C. Coiled and taped together. D. Colored red or blue to meet codes. Great job. The correct answer is A. The piping connection to the vacuum pump should be as short in length and as large in diameter as possible. Question 10. Which of the following leak detection methods is considered to be the most effective for locating the general area of a small leak? Is it A. Standing vacuum test, B. Electronic or ultrasonic tester, C. Halide torch, D. Audible sound? Great job. The correct answer is B. Electronic or ultrasonic tester. Question 11. Which components have the highest ozone depletion? ODP. Is it A. HCFCs, B. HFC, C. CFCs, D. All are equal? You got it. The correct answer is C. CFCs have the highest ozone depletion potential. Question 12. Which of the following human health effects could result from an increase in ultraviolet radiation? A. An increase in the number of cataracts. B. An increase in the number of cases of infertility. C. An increase in the number of cases of heat prostration. D. An increase in the number of thyroid disorders. You got it. The correct answer is A. An increase in the number of cataracts. Question 13. Which chemical found in the upper stratosphere indicates that the ozone layer is being destroyed? Is it A. Carbon monoxide, B. Nitrous oxide, C. Trioxide, or D. Chlorine monoxide? You got it. The correct answer is D. Chlorine monoxide. Question 14. Which atom of the CFC molecule causes ozone depletion? Is it A. Fluorine, B. Chlorine, C. Carbon, D. Hydrogen? Great job. The correct answer is B. Chlorine. Chlorine causes ozone depletion. Ozone depletion in the stratosphere is what type of problem? Is it A. a local problem, B. a regional, C. a national problem, or D. a global problem? Terrific job. The correct answer is D. It's a global problem. Question 16. Which refrigerant is an HCFC? Is it A. R22? Is it B. R134A, C. R11, or D. R113? You guessed it. The correct answer is A. R22 is an HCFC. Question 17. Which refrigerant is an HFC? Is it R22, R134A, R11, or R113? Great job. You knew all along it was B, R134A. Terrific job. Question 18. Which refrigerant is a CFC? Is it A, R113, B, R134A, C, R11, D, both A and C? Great job. The correct answer is D, both A and C. R113 and R11 are both CFCs. Question 19. Which of the following refrigerants has the lowest ODP, or ozone depletion potential? Is it R22, R123, R134A, or R502? Great job. The correct answer is C, R134A. Question 20. When recovering refrigerant, it is important not to mix different refrigerants in the same container because A. The mixture would explode, B. The mixture will be impossible to reclaim, C. The mixture is toxic, D. It is in violation of EPA environmental regulations. Great job. The correct answer is B. The mixture may be impossible to reclaim. Question 21. The center port on a 3-port manifold is used for A. Obtaining gauge readings, B. Pumping air into the system, C. Bypass from low to high side, D. Recovering, evacuating, and charging. Correct. The correct answer is D. Recovering, evacuating, and charging is what the center port on a 3-port manifold is used for. Question 22. Refrigerant entering the compressor of a refrigerant system is A. Liquid, a subcooled liquid, a subcooled vapor, or a superheated vapor? Great job. The correct answer is D. Refrigerant entering the compressor of a refrigerant system is a superheated vapor. Question 23. When using a vapor recovery, the field level of the recovery cylinder can be controlled by A. Mechanical float devices, B. Electrical shutoff devices, C. Weight, D. All the above. Great job. All the above. D is the correct answer. 24. When corrosion buildup is found on the body of a relief valve, the valve must be A. Repaired, B. Reconditioned, C. Cleaned, D. Replaced. Correct. It must be replaced. When corrosion buildup is found within the body of a relief valve, the valve must be replaced. 25. How should refrigerant cylinders be positioned when they are shipped? A. Inverted, B. Upright, C. Horizontal, D. Stacked. You got it. The upright position. The correct answer is B. Always shipped upright. Question 26. A refrigerant oil that is hygroscopic is A. is a good lubricant, B. is a crude oil and unrefined, C. readily absorbs moisture, D. can be left open to ambient air. You got it. The correct answer is C. It readily absorbs moisture. Question 27. The term used to describe the fact that a refrigerant blend has a range of boiling or condensating points at a constant pressure is A. pressure slump, B. mixture glide, C. fractionation, D. temperature glide. Terrific job. The correct answer is D. temperature glide. Thank you for watching this segment, and check out our website at www.ncomputercells.com. That's www.ncomputercells.com. Thank you for watching.